Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine tutorial. Today we are making a easy tutorial that how to make a game menu for our game. This will be a short and easy tutorial for beginner who want to make their own game menu like this. Here you can see we make a main menu and we have an option new game, load game, player option and exit. Today we know just make the new main menu, and when we press the new game our game will start playing. So let's begin. In this situation, this is our default map, okay, where we will start our gaming here from here. But first of all we need to make the main menu and select our player, then we start play and start here. So we are programming it first. So first we need to create a folder in our content browser called main menu. We make this. If you don't have main menu folder, just create a new folder and rename it to main menu. And here we also make a level. Okay, we just right click and select a level and name it main menu. Main menu. Okay, after creating the level we just open the level. Okay, we just open it and select it. Our level will be totally empty. We can see totally empty, and here we make our main menu. So how we can do it? We just first of all we need a wizard blueprint here, wizard interface for this main menu option. So first, so let's create a wizard blueprint here. Right click, scroll down, and here was the user interface option. We just go to wizard blueprint and select the user wizard and rename it to w underscore main menu. Okay, so after creating the main menu wizard, we just double click it. It will appear here and it will be blank. Okay, so first of all we need here to add a canvas panel here. Canvas panel, just drag it here and selecting the aspect ratio to our skin. I think we add a picture here because the main menu need a good interface. So I just take a screenshot. This is our game screenshot, or player screenshot. So I just take it for the example. So just open our here project and drag this file to here. Okay, so here is a the picture we import in our project. And now go to our wizard menu and I need to make it big and just drag it to here. You can do it by professional, but I make it simple. Okay, so we just drag the picture here and make the customize it of your own purpose. Okay, I just uh, drag this like this. Okay, because this is the red things is appear. No time for editing now because video will be long if I edit that. So this is our main menu picture and this is our canvas panel. I need to make it sure. Okay. Mm. Okay, so here we grab the picture here. These things will not come out to our skin, so don't worry. And now we add some button here. So just drag the button, take place to the canvas panel, and here we drag it to there. This will be look nice. Okay, okay, I make this that much and add a text here and name it just new game, new game, and change the color. So I take it white and make this. It's a simple. Just use a simple color of here. Okay, this is our new game, and just press this and Control D. It will duplicate another option here. We just rename the text here. Rename it to load game. Load game. Okay, and just rename the button here. Load game because we need it for remember. Rename it to new game. Okay, and add another button here. Just press Ctrl D and copy the button and rename it to rename the text is to player option. Player, player option. Okay, and also rename it player option. Okay, and for the last things we just duplicate it again. We just make it exit. Sorry. Okay, and rename it to okay. And now just to change the color because all the color was same here, and uh, make the button same align and change this load game to red color, player option to color, and exit dark red. Okay, okay. So this is a simple widget menu of our main menu. So we just create it, and now first things we need to do, press the new game button. When you press it, our game will be start. So here, new game, we just drag down here, and there was option one clicked, and we just press plus it, and there was a our blueprint plus event graph is camped out. We just make a function here to play our game. So we just create open level by name, not the name is uh, open level by object reference, and here we just add our game map here. Okay, so what is the name of our game map? Where it will be a desert. this is our game mat. Okay, before we create, so we just select it, and when we press it, our game will start here. So now what should we do? uh, we need to go our level, open level blueprint, and here was option even begin play. Okay, so when we start the game, first our main menu appear, then we select the new game. Our game will start in our map, and if we change our player, we can change here. So in even begin play, we just create our widget here, create create widget, sorry, create widget, select our main menu, w main menu. This is a we create, and here we select add to viewport. Okay, and now we just get player controller, because we need a mouse cursor for select, and here we select set show mouse cursor, and here we can select it, and we just tick it. And when the widget blueprint is appear, our mouse cursor will appear too, and we can move it and select the option of our main menu. Okay, in even begin play, we will start it. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so now the blank place. When we start our game, you can see our game option is come out. I think I make some mistake to grab the things of our canvas panel, so the skin not come out the fully. Okay, okay. Just we select new game. When we select new game, our player is appear here. So it's a simple a game menu option we create. It's so simple, so simple. I just make the class is simple. This tutorial is easy for you and it's help you to make a main menu of your game. Please like, share and subscribe. Today we learn how to make new game main menu, and in the next class we will learn about how to choose your character from inventory. So stay with our channel and like, share, subscribe.